Hi, today I'm with Motorola Edge 40 Pro and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first we should launch Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then go to the settings and tap to Google Assistant section. Then click to Google Hey Google and voice match. Tap to OK Google switcher. Now click here to the next. Yes, I agree on the right hand corner to continue. Now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want to add your voice model, just click here Retain Voice Model Assistant to recognize your voice and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set the timer for 5 minutes. So then just tap to finish on the right down corner, and now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.